Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss one legislation which is known as Public Premises Act 1971. So let's begin. The Public Premises Eviction of Unauthorized Occupants Act 1971 enacted to regulate public properties and remove unauthorized occupants from government owned premises. So as we know that a government has several premises such as residential buildings, offices, conference halls, seminar halls, etc. So, this legislation is mainly focused towards public properties, and if there is any unauthorized occupants residing in that, so this act will follow. So, what are the key features of this act? It applies to government owned properties, both central and state governments. Now, let's see point number 2, definition of unauthorized occupant, to whom we shall refer an unauthorized occupant. So, any person who continues to stay without any legal right. So, it is very much clear that for living in any public premises or government buildings, residential area, you must have some legal right to stay in it. Otherwise, you will be referred as an unauthorized occupant. Let's see point number 3, eviction process. Eviction means how we can make them exit from the building or the residential area or the conference areas as well. So a state officer appointed by government issues a show cause notice to occupant. So who will issue a show cause notice? So the authority is state officer appointed by the government, and the occupant must reply within the span of 7 days. So 7 days is being given to the occupant to reply and give sufficient reason for their stay and for their prolonged stay if in case, and if it is satisfactory, then state officer will let them stay. If not, then eviction process begins. Now see, if explanation is unsatisfactory, as I said, eviction will be ordered. So now let's see what is the penalty. So for penalty of every damages, fine will be imposed, and to whom we can appeal? We can appeal to district judge within a specified time. So what is the basic purpose of this act? So it is prevent illegal occupants to reside in that building and also to ensure efficient use of government assets and provide swift legal mechanism for eviction. This act helps maintain government-owned properties free from encroachment and unauthorized use. So it is a short summarized legislation on Public Premises Act 1971. I hope it is helpful to the candidates preparing for exam. Thanks for watching.